So, okay, guys, let's learn some JavaScript or Node. Now, in this video, I want to share with you how to run a Node application, basically using two methods in the command line. One where we automatically execute it using Node, and the other one where we use what we call a Shebang or a Hashbang. Okay, now the first thing I want to do, you see, I have VS Code open here, and then also I have a folder open, and in that folder, I have a file named index.js. I want to add another file and call it node.js. Now, start with the node. Inside the node, let's write some JavaScript program. Let's say const what? A equals to 6. Then let's say const B equals to 7. Now, we can tell log to the console the sum. Sum. Then, because sum is not declared, you can say const sum equals to the sum of a plus b, which is a plus b. Now, with that, we can also have something like the product, const product, let's call it prod, equals to a times b. Then here we can let's say something like the sum is space plus sum. Then we can have something similar to that for the product, saying something the product is sorry, product is plus prod. Now, for us to run this program here, we come to your console and just type node space and then the name of the file, which is node.js. Press enter. Now we have it displaying our results here. The sum is 13, the product is 42, and of course that's correct because 6 plus 7 is 13 and 6 times 7 is 42. That is okay. Now that is the first way of running a node project or the file, by just typing node and then the name of the file. Now if I make a change here, let's say I had another program expression, let's say const the difference equals to a minus b, b. Then I also want to log that in the console, log, let's say the difference is plus diff. Now you see, every time I make a change to my file, I have to come back to the terminal, stop the server, and restart it again. In this case, I have to type again node.js to give me the sum, the product, and the difference. So let me clear up this. Now, from Node version 16 and later versions, it has a new feature we call watch that will automatically watch for the changes in your file and run the server whenever a change is detected. Now to do that, you just have to add a flag in your script. For example, you say node dash dash watch, then the name of the file that you want to watch. You say node.js. Now you see it has something else completed running Node.js. Now if I come back here and let's say I see something like const age equals to 56, then watch the console. Each time I make a change, it reruns. Now keep an eye on that. Let's do this. Let's log age to the console. Log the age automatically without stopping the server or doing anything. It automatically watches for the changes and displays the results here. Now, instead of using something like Nodemon that we install as third party, just add the watch flag to your script for running the JavaScript file. So that is it. Now, that's the first method of running a Node or JavaScript file using the Node command. Another way is using what we call a Shebang or a Hashbang. Okay. Now, a Shebang is simply a script on top of your file that points to the location where the node interpreter is installed. Now, in this case, if you have something like const a equals to 6. Then we have const b equals to 7. Then let's say const sum equals to a plus b. Then you want to print that to the console by saying console.log the sum. Now I will stop this server here. This is the initial one that we had used. Then clear up, and then instead of typing node space and the name like node, sorry, remember initially we did node and then the name of the file, which is index. But now in this case we simply want to make the file executable and then run that program by simply writing the name of the file. Now to do that, you first have to make the file executable. Now to show you that process, I'll open first my terminal. I have it here. Then I'll just cd to home directory. Then I'll clear terminal. Now I want to navigate into the directory where I have this project. So cd desktop, then cd to the practice directory, then cd to the node. So if I check the contents of node, you see we have index and node. That is what we also have here. So I want to make index.js executable so that it can be run directly by just mentioning the name of the file in the terminal. To do that, you simply do the change mode, then what else, u plus x and the name of the file that you want to make executable, that is index. That is done. Now if I list again the contents of node, you will see that index.js is now green in color. Yes, you see the difference. It's now green, meaning it is executable. Now when we come back to our VS Code here, we now have the Shebang or the Hashbang on top here, which points to the where the node interpreter is installed. We have it up there, and our file is also executable. So to run this file or program, you simply mention the file in the terminal, that is index. Press enter. What do we have? 13. So 6 plus 7, 13. So that is it for this video. Yeah, we've learned 2 ways on how to run a JavaScript or Node file, and then we've learned how to watch for your changes using the watch flag. Thank you. See you in another video.